Seeing code 10 in Device Manager with a message saying the device cannot start. This usually points to a driver or hardware problem. In this guide, I'll show you practical steps to troubleshoot code 10 and get the device working again. First, restart your computer. A temporary driver or hardware communication problem can sometimes clear after a reboot. After restarting, open Device Manager and check the device again. Next, right-click the device showing code 10 and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will check for a compatible driver and install one if it's available. If Device Manager says the best driver is already installed, check Windows Update. Open Settings, select Windows Update, and choose Check for Updates. Also check Optional Updates for available driver updates. If code 10 continues, try reinstalling the driver. Right-click the device, choose Uninstall Device and confirm, then restart your computer. Windows may automatically detect the hardware and reinstall a compatible driver. If Windows doesn't reinstall the driver correctly, download the latest driver from your computer or hardware manufacturer's official website. Make sure it matches your exact device model and Windows version. If code 10 started after a recent driver update, open Properties and select the Driver tab. If Rollback Driver is available, use it to return to the previous driver. This can help when a new driver causes compatibility problems. If the error remains after reinstalling or rolling back the driver, check the physical connection if possible. For USB devices, try another port. For internal hardware, make sure the component is properly installed. If the problem follows the device, the hardware itself may need attention. And that's how to troubleshoot code 10 in Device Manager. Start with a restart, then update or reinstall the driver, and check the hardware if the error continues. So work through each step carefully and use the exact device model when downloading drivers.